Just hold on to it. Kind of keep it up like that. Hold on to it. Grandma's going to pull the sled up. Can you see Grandma on my side in the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Hurry though. Can you see us, Gideon?
Yes.
I won't try to run over you. Here. No, can't. Oh, I'm going. Give me a push. Great, here we go. Can you see Grandma now?
Yes. Thanks for giving him a good,
Good videotaker.
foot.
Gideon. Good job. No, that's all.